What's good, y'all? So I'm relatively new into my YouTube journey, but I found a way for myself to monetize off YouTube already without actually being monetized. So I'm gonna get straight into it, and hopefully something I've done can work for you all. If you're looking to monetize on YouTube, you're looking to have some passive income, some additional revenue on top of your actual revenue from YouTube. I'm gonna explain what I did, and I'm gonna explain my actual results so that you can see for sure that I've done it. And I just want to give a disclaimer: it's a million people out here doing it, so everyone has an opinion and everyone is doing it a different way. So my way may not be the perfect way, but it works for me. This is just a way that I thought would apply to you all. So let's get straight into it. I just want to start off by explaining a little bit of my YouTube journey. I started about almost a year ago, August of 2024. And as of this date, I have about 525 subscribers. I feel pretty good about this number because I ain't think anybody from the start was even going to want to listen to somebody like me on YouTube. And for the fact that I haven't made a video in over 6 months, I feel like I'm doing pretty good for where I'm at. And back to the meat and potatoes of it, I feel like this method I'm about to explain doesn't take any real effort. And I think you should do it just for the possibility of being able to generate additional revenue on YouTube passively. So to explain the method I'm using, I must first explain the word affiliate to you all for those who don't know. An affiliate is someone who basically works with a company or business to be able to draw people towards their business, help their business thrive in many different possibilities. Hence why almost every business has affiliate programs where it is basically a win-win for both the business that they have someone who wants to help them draw traffic towards their business. And how does this benefit the people who are bringing the traffic? Usually with affiliate programs, you have some kind of perks in the sense of, monetary gain or, coupons or some kind of incentive that helps or motivates the people who are bringing the foot traffic towards them. One of the most common affiliates is Amazon affiliates, where basically you can send people a link to Amazon products, and if they buy it, you will get a certain percentage. So affiliate programs are great because, like I said earlier, it really doesn't take any effort at all. And you can take things that you love, products and services, and promote them in the sense and then actually benefit off those as well. So to sign up for most affiliate links, you would just simply have to just go on their website. It's usually somewhere at the bottom or, in the tabs of their website where you can go and say, hey, I want to become an affiliate. And then you go through a small sign up process. Sometimes you may need to get approved to be an affiliate for certain programs. But once you do, you can just get a link that you can just send out. And to capitalize off affiliate programs on the things you like is you can just basically make a YouTube video that's in your niche, whether that's beauty, tech, finance or whatnot, and then become an affiliate with that certain program or service or product that you're promoting, and then post your affiliate link on that YouTube video so that people who really like that video and that video resonated with will go to your link and sign up for that program or buy that product, and you will reap the benefits of it as well. And even if you aren't on YouTube, say if you just have a big family or big friend group and you have something that you want them to use or try out, you could just say, here, I'm gonna send you an affiliate link for this and try it out. So now to my results. As someone who use affiliate programs and is currently not monetized on YouTube at all, with only 525 subscribers, I've already made about $1,000 using affiliate programs on my videos on YouTube. So the affiliate program that I've used most heavily is for my budgeting app, Monarch Money. As you can see, I've had a fairly successful budgeting review video for Monarch Money. And I basically just went through the app and just explained how I use the app and what the app does. And it resonated with a lot of people and it trended well on YouTube and the algorithm. And I had the foresight to go ahead and do an affiliate program with Monarch Money, and I posted it with that video. The first one credited me back money onto my account so that when I would have to pay for the service annually, it would just take from my credits. But even better, they then moved on to a gift card type service where if you were to have someone sign up, they would get 50% off and you would get a $50 gift card. And listen, this is for $100 annual service. So 50% off, that's $50 off and $50 for me. So for the first year, they basically weren't profiting off it. So it was a great program. And from that, I already got $400 as of 2025. And this program just started in April. And the second one was through the sports betting platform I use called OddsJam. And I was able to bring in about a little over 200, I believe, dollars using that software. I was just using it anyway, and I was just making videos on how to profit off sports betting. So I was just like, let me put my affiliate link up here. And, I was able to pull in about $200 using that. So like I said, I haven't had the benefit of being able to monetize off YouTube yet. So I can't really compare what I would have made on those videos from just their view counts alone and ad revenue versus what I got through affiliate programs. But I think the money that I got through the affiliate programs are significant relative to how well those videos had did, because I think the Monarch Money video only did about 5,000 views, which is great for my channel. But to go ahead and pull me in $750, I don't believe that could have been done through AdSense. So definitely don't only focus on being monetized. Focus on the additional types of revenue you can generate through YouTube. So just a couple tips as far as affiliate programs. Definitely make sure you pay attention to what type of affiliate programs you are using. Some are better than others. Some offer, very minuscule benefits relative to the gain that they get as a company. So make sure you review all their terms and conditions prior to. And just to provide transparency, I'm currently emailing OzJam for my $200 and so. And even though I did this program and generated this affiliate income, and it shows on the website, they have yet to provide me the money. So I'm not saying that it's scammy or anything, but I have to go a couple extra steps to be able to get that money from them. And that brings me to my tip 2. Make sure you watch out for scams. Make sure no one's just trying to say, hey, boost me up, hype me up, go out there and put my name out there and then just leave you high and dry. Don't really follow through on their promises. Make sure they're reputable companies and make sure they're really about what they say. And lastly, I would say the same for you. Don't just go out and just make affiliate programs for stuff you really don't care about. Because one, you're not going to make a good video talking about something you really don't care about. And 2, you're not really doing your subscribers, the people who view your video service, by pushing something that you don't even like yourself just because they have great affiliate income from it. That's just my 2 cents though. And all affiliate links don't work out. You're not going to make $750 off any and every affiliate program that you do. And some you're going to shoot way over that depending on your following and your base and everything. For example, like I also did an Amazon affiliate link like I was talking about earlier, but it kind of fizzled out because I didn't really promote it like I should have and whatnot. But there was some potential there. So yeah, that's really all I got. I appreciate y'all watching. And just if you want, to support me or you want to see what I'm doing in the affiliate programs I have, I will put them all down in the description. And yeah, I'll highlight y'all. Peace.